Hello everybody of YouTube, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. So today I've just chopped some onion in my chopping thing. I've got a bit of cheese, a bit of Devon tickler, and I've also got the best bacon and cheddar pork sausages. So I'm just going to fry these in a pan, nice and easy. Just the onion, couple of sausages in a roll. I've got some rolls somewhere, they might be Morrison's as well. Back into that thing again. How easy is that, eh? Just a bit of water in the pan. Just going to blast that on a high. Just see if I can soften up them onions a bit. Lovely old job. And what I might do actually, while I think about it, is I might just chuck the sausages in there as well. Like that. So they can get cooking as well. I'm going to plonk my lid on. There we go. Easy as that. Getting on. Pretty good by the looks of it. If I can drain that water out of there with that lid. Yeah, I bet I can. Let's give it a go. Colour into them, eh? I need a bit of butter in there. There we go. Just a bit of that. I'm just going to butter a roll, I think. What I'll do. Chuck that back on the cheese. Oh yeah. Colourings there. The mushrooms separated over there. Go for the bag. Looking good. Whoops. Some more cheese on there. Get that back on there. Put that cheese. So there'll be plenty of extra bacon and cheese in these ones. Yeah, bacon and cheddar. Loads of cheese in this. Let's have a look. Chop one down the middle. Just going to cut them down the middle. There we go. I'll leave them a couple. Blacken them up a bit. Oh yes. Right, I think we're about there. Looking at that. Right, let's get dished out. There we go. Lovely. And I too, I'm just going to put in a frying pan, not in a frying pan, in a bowl. Right, cheese is nice and melted on there. There you go, all finished, sorted. I'm just going to have a bit of sauce on the side, bit of chef if we've got any left. There we go. Bit of chef. Good dollop of that on the back. Yeah. Right. Let's just so a bit of Devon tickler, bit of Devon tickler, extra mature, 16-month mature. The best, which I got from Morrison's. 6 bacon cheddar pork sausages, succulent prime British pork made with smoked bacon, and extra mature the bacon cheese sausages. What they like, I like them, you know. And as for this, with the cheese, maybe I should have made it a bit crisper, but never mind. Oh yeah, it's delicious, definitely. Bit of chef on it. So with the bacon and cheese, onions, all of that, and a bit of chef. Another tasty dinner. No lunch today though, or breakfast. Another meal, tried and tested. Thanks everyone for watching. I've been thinking about going live. So, let us know in the comments what you think. Whether I should do a live or not. I mean, yeah. Not done one up to now. Let us know what you think. And we'll take it from there, right? Right, see you later everyone. Bye bye.